Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 file explorer crashing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type a control panel and open a control panel. After doing this step, select a large or a small icon. Click on File Explorer options, and in the General tab, select a Quick Access to this PC. Select a this PC. After that, clear the privacy history. Click on Apply and OK button. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in this start menu, go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your updates and check updates. If any updates available, then check and install in your PC. Okay, after downloading and installing will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. Now you can see that it's up to date and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrative privileges. After that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the start menu right click, go to your task manager. After doing this step, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now select a Windows Explorer, click on restart. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a PowerShell, open PowerShell, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is repair Windows image space slash online space slash restore health. After that, type a exit and exit it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.